Since burial, the prices of vegetables have been sky high, so we decided to do some sprouting. Here I soaked the seeds in water for overnight and then I placed them on my tray. This mesh is just something I was trying, and I placed them on my tray and I sprayed them. This was literally day 1 of having sprayed them. They have begun to sprout, right? It's so quick, so easy, it's unbelievable. This is day 2. You can really see the sprouts coming up, and I just keep spraying them with water. Showing you the bottom, you see their little roots trying to go down, and once they do go down to the bottom of the container, I'll add water to the container so that they will be able to get the water themselves, right? Some of the sprouts went through. This is why I also put the mesh in the other one container, because the sprouts, I realized they were like falling through the holes. And just look at this is about day 5, people, and the sprouts were just bursting through. They're so beautiful, mercy man, and so yummy, so yummy. And the water is in the container and I keep spraying it, and you can see the root system there. So I had a lot of fun doing this. You have to plan though, like if you're deciding to have a luncheon or something and you want sprout, you have to plan like a week in advance to say I'm gonna start sprouting. And this was the final product. I throw in my water, so I'm harvesting my sprouts now. Washed off my sprouts, gave them a nice wash. I had just come from work and I decided, let me give them a nice wash. Then I'm gonna just take them out and have them or add them to my meal. So what I do, I'll take them out and then I'll put them in the refrigerator in a container, and then we just take them out and add them to our meal, just like how we do lettuce or anything else. But sprouts are so nutritious. I would definitely encourage every and anyone who's thinking about sprouting to do so. They have so many important nutrients in them and minerals, etc. You cannot lose. Alright, I'm just gonna show you the rest of the process and I'm gonna shut up now. Alright, and you'll see how I added it to my meals. Continue watching.